Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to pin a space on Gmail using your PC with the new update. This is a great way to keep your favorite spaces easily accessible. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in Gmail, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the top right corner. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. From there, select Chat. This will take you to the chat section of Gmail. Now, take a moment to look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Spaces. Click on that to view all the spaces you're part of. Next, find the space you want to pin. When you hover over it, you'll see 3 dots appear on the right side. Click on those dots to open a list of options. Finally, click on Pin. This action will keep that space at the top of your list, making it super easy to find and access whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned a space in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.